This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm of Fountainville, PA.
These are our 5 to 6 foot Norway spruces, bald, burlapped, and ready for pickup at Highland Hill Farm. This is Bill at Highland Hill Farm in Fountainville, PA, and this is a 5 to 6 foot Norway spruce that we grow. It's semi-sheared, and we have some that are even sheared fuller than this. We grow thousands of Norway spruces at Highland Hill Farm. So if you need Norway spruces of almost any size, we have them. We even sell small seedlings, transplants, and 2 to 3 foot bald and burlapped, 3 to 4 foot bald and burlapped, and of course we have lots of these 5 to 6 foot bald and burlapped trees. And we do deliver and install these, so you can call us at Highland Hill Farm for your Norway spruces.
This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers. This video is brought to you by Highland Hill Farm. We grow and sell screening and buffering trees for privacy and sound barriers. Five to 6 foot spruce trees.